Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this really lovely Seat Cupra 2016. So how the system works is every time the customer jumps into the vehicle, it just has to go through a push sequence on the steering wheel, on the window buttons. If he doesn't do that, the car will not start. So at the moment the system is in an arm state. If I try and start it, see, vehicle doesn't start. Okay, no fault codes. This has actually got dual blocking, analog cut, quite secure. So basically, every time the customer gets in the vehicle, ignition on, go through his push sequence. On here, we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive a melody. There you go, start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. As you see, no fault code errors like some of the Canberra systems. Also, you have the facility to change the code. And the way you would do that is, first of all, ignition on. Place the system in a disarm state, receive your melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times, cycle the ignition off, on, get 5 bleeps, and you're ready to learn. So I'm going to do that now. So ignition on. First you disarm the system. 1, 2, 3. Receive your melody. There you go. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the key off. Then back on. Receive your 5 bleeps, and now you're ready to learn. So any button on the network that you can use will give you a bleep. Most of these buttons work, some of these buttons work, and the window buttons work on this. So I'm going to do something very basic. So you heard the bleeps there. Now we're going to wait for confirmation. And now repeat the new code again. Wait for your confirmation. Cycle the ignition off. Give it about 10 seconds. If you turn it on too early, you'll actually hear the melody, it will disarm, and then you won't have to put your push sequence in, but we're leaving it for about 10 seconds to try the new code. So ignition on, check vehicle. Vehicle doesn't start, as you see. Okay, go through your push sequence. So we've changed it. So 1, 2, 3. There you go, melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you take the car for a service and you need to put it in valet mode, this is also straightforward. So basically, ignition on, disarm the system, receive your melody, then hit one of the buttons 11 times, cycle the ignition off, on, get your 2 bleeps, and it'll be in valet mode. So we'll do that now. So ignition on, disarm. There you go, melody. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the key off, then back on. There you go, 2 bleeps. It's now in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, all you basically do is ignition on, insert your code, get 2 bleeps, and it'll jump out of valet mode. So let's do that now. There you go, 2 bleeps, out of valet mode. Let's start the vehicle. Okay, let's turn it off, leave it for about 10 seconds. And then try and start it. See, vehicle doesn't start. No error codes. Okay, hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028906 0478, 028906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.